So I've got this LEXUS IS250. As you can see, it's a bit of a scratch here, that's through the clear coat. So I'm going to try and get this sorted at home without needing the body shop. And I've got the paint here, original Lexus paint that came in the car when I picked it up. It's out of date, as you can see, but we're on a budget here. Let's see, can we get this looking at least very much more presentable without spending around 250-300 quid getting this done at the body shop. Here goes nothing. So I've done an overfill of the lines there, as you can see. Next thing I'm going to do a bit of a shortcut. Normally I would do like a 1500 grit, but I'm going to go straight in at 2000 grit, wet sand it, try and level it out as much as I can, and then I'm going to polish it and see what happens. This little dink here, I'm undecided what to do. That is beyond my expertise and might get the paintless dent repair guy to fix that bit. But let's see how this comes out. Already it's looking much more better, but obviously you can see the lines because I've overfilled and need to blend it, so balance it off with this, so hopefully that works. Let's go. So I've wet sanded it, not perfect. Now, wet sanded it, washed and clay barred the whole car, as you can see. She looks fantastic, doesn't she? Cleaned up, looks lovely. Now, onto the polishing. Okay, so there you go, machine polished. How's that look? Not too bad, I can still see the line there. Don't know if you can see, but there is a line there. It's like the camera makes it look a lot better than it actually is, but it is very good, acceptable. As you can see, she looks lovely, giving her a full machine polish with Scholl S20 black. And as you can see, the headlights not perfect, but I've done a quick job on it and it's come out nice and acceptable. And then overall, look at the car, isn't she lovely? Do you want to have a look at the inside? It is absolutely mint inside. Look at that, so nice. Yeah? And the rear, there you have it. Lovely jubbly, it was a pleasure doing this car. And before I forget, this is what I used, Scholl S20 black, one step compound, really good. There you are. So how long did it take me? Overall the process has taken me, including the washing, clay bar, etc., about 3 hours, and it's cost me about, I'll say about £10 worth of materials, if that, and it's come out lovely. There you go, not perfect but lovely, acceptable. Hope you like, everyone. Do hit that subscribe button and leave some comments, nice ones that is. See you in the next one. Take care, bye bye.